What is up, YouTube? Today I am doing something a little different. I am doing a voice recording because I hate talking at 3:30 in the morning. But as you guys can tell, this is my 3:30 wake up self-improvement routine. So here we go. First thing I do is I hop up out of bed, get the crust on my eyes, and I get that immediate prayer and thank the Lord for waking me up this morning and all types of good things. Right after that, we have to flow straight into the hygiene because your boy hate having smelly breath. That's just number one, bro. So now we move into making up my bed. It's some type of like saying about clean space, clean mind, or just making your bed is just a great way to start the day. So go ahead and knock it out. But as soon as I make up my bed, I immediately flow into my actual Bible time, trying to get better at actually opening my Bible every morning. Right now I'm in Matthews. I really enjoy it. But I try to take some time out the day, go ahead and knock it out, sit with the Lord, and then trying to build on that over time. So when that's done, we head right out the door and we get ready to go to the building and work out. First thing we do is we get out there and we stretch. You gotta stretch it out because we're about to be doing so much stuff in this morning routine that if you don't stretch out, you're probably gonna pull something, do something you don't need to do. So honestly, as you get older, it doesn't get easier. So just go ahead, stretch it out, get ready because it's about to make sense in like the next 2 seconds. All right, you guys, let me explain what's going on here. I don't know if you guys have seen the new anime called Solo Leveling, but it's really good. Just know that the main character gets stronger by using a specific system. So I found a different YouTuber and they kind of made this system for like real life. I took it, adopted it, and that's what I'm using. All you need to know is that there's 6 categories, but we're only worried about 3 right here, which would be agility, strength, and endurance. I always start my workouts with agility because number one, it tires me out the most. Number two, I hate it. And three, you just need to do it. Who wants to be big and strong and not fast? Come on, like everybody want to be fast. We all want to be fast when we were kids. On top of that, who wants to be big and strong and can't take 2 steps and they be out of breath already? That is not cool, bro. So me, what this looks like is I have 2 separate days. Day one, I do the drills that you're seeing right here, kind of like football type drill. And day two, I do ladders. So I'll alternate. But you need to be quick, man. We got to be quick. So right after that is done with agility, we move straight into strength, which is kind of self-explanatory. We're lifting weights here. That's how I like to do my strength training. I basically do the basic split, which is push-pull legs, if you know what that is. So in here, we have push going on. You see we started with some triceps to warm the triceps up. We're doing some laterals to get the shoulders up, and then we're doing some push-ups to go ahead and warm that chest up. So I like to do push pull legs because it's a basic split. It hits the body parts that I want to hit, and it's honestly just great. Everything just go together. That's why it's such a great split, and it's a basic split that everybody kind of start with. Now keep in mind during this workout you're doing a lot of stuff. You're doing agility first, and then we're gonna move to strength. And then right after strength, you got to go right into endurance. So just keep in mind, take it light in the beginning when you're doing it, so it don't have to be like a full crazy workout, but just making sure you're getting a good pump in. So right after strength training, we take a little break, maybe for like 4 or 5 minutes, and then we run straight into the 1 mile run. I know, guys, you have to get used to running. You have to enjoy running. You have to learn to love it. I'm trying to get to the point where I build up. This is week one, so the workouts are kind of shorter. They're high intensity, but not as long. But as I build up, I want to get to the point where I'm running like 2 miles, and then going back to the agility drills, doing more drills, and then making my workouts even longer when it comes to strength. But right now, just doing quick, fast, high intensity, and then getting out here, getting this 1 mile run in and knocking it out. Hopefully we'll get to 2 miles soon, but this is week one and I'm not trying to kill myself. I mentioned that I try not to kill myself, and here's why. So right after that, I have to go straight into my ROTC workout because I choose to get up early in the morning because I'm trying to be great, or I'm a freak of nature, whichever. But thankfully we have fun PT today, which means we just play capture the flag. But usually what this would look like is I will immediately run into my ROTC workout and we'll probably run push-ups and like all this stuff all over again. So this is why I say don't kill yourself in the beginning because you have a workout right after. Alright guys, so here's the really fun part. Getting back to the crib, the first thing I do is throw that cup of coffee on the pot because I can't have coffee at 3:30 in the morning before my workout. It just doesn't work. And also, me and my roommates, we are coffee fiends, man. But after we get that coffee rolling, I jump straight into the potatoes, man. I am a potato fiend. You know what I'm saying? So it's either a sweet potato or a russet potato. Today we're using the sweet potato. Chop it up, boil it, cut it up into like little fry pieces or wedges, however you want to do it. Man, boil that thing, season that thing up, put it in the air fryer. I'm telling you, it's like the best thing on the planet. Put it with some scrambled eggs, have that cup of coffee on the side, immediate dub. As soon as I smash that down, I take a shower, and then that's kind of where the routine kind of ends. Everything else changes after that, depending on the day. I might go to work, I might go straight to school, I might have like a conference or something. But for the main part, that's the morning routine, man. So if you enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe.